I have a sweet and elegant cupcake table for Easter Sunday, all ready to impress your guests. This would also look great for any spring party. So let's get started by doctoring up a cake mix to make some lemon pudding cupcakes. Then I'll share a few decorating tips to give those cupcakes a floral theme. Keep watching to the end to see how to decorate a dining room for Easter to make those cupcakes look even more amazing. So here's how to make a cake mix better. We're going rogue and not really following the directions on the back of the box. We have 1 box of vanilla cake mix. They asked for 3 eggs, but adding 1 extra egg here will make it a fluffier batter. Instead of the suggested amount of water, I switched it out for milk just to make it a little more creamy. And then I added 1 box of instant vanilla pudding and 4 single serve packets of lemon crystal light. The box recipe asked for oil, and whenever I'm making a vanilla based cake mix, I like to use almond oil because it makes it just taste a little bit better, more like a wedding cake. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being my new friend. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I love being creative in every part of life, which is exactly why I share ways for you to be creative with easy home DIYs, cupcakes, and fashion ideas. So make sure to subscribe if you like the idea of being creative every day. I do a seasonal cupcake and DIY challenge where I ask my friends on YouTube to add their videos to a playlist so that you can get more spring and Easter cupcake and decor ideas all in one place. I'll link that playlist at the end of this video. And Lisa Birmingham is my co-host for this spring challenge. She does amazing home DIYs over on her channel. I'm always amazed at what she comes up with, so make sure to check her channel out too. To give some dimension to the cupcake display, we're going to bake some cupcakes in ice cream cones and some in regular cupcake liners. Varying the height will add some visual interest to our tablescape, and it'll just look that much better. Okay, here's a tip if you don't have the right color of sugar for the tops of those cupcakes. First, I'll show you the wrong way. I just tried mixing this Wilton gel food coloring with a fork, and I just did that in a bowl, and that was a fail. And then I tried placing the sugar in a Ziploc bag, adding the food coloring and sealing the bag, and then I just kind of shimmied it around in there. And this technique worked perfectly. So you can make any custom color of sugar that you want just based on what colors you mix in there. To get the marshmallow flowers on top, you will need some scissors, and I have some that we keep in the kitchen, but I did go ahead and wash those really well. Then all I did was cut these large marshmallows in half, and the sticky part is where the sugar will stick to the marshmallow. I filled the center of this flower with some Easter candy I found at Dollar Tree. The next one is a cone cupcake. I already put a bit of frosting on top just to hold those marshmallows in place. I filled this one with these little sugar spheres that I picked up a while ago. I think I picked those up at Joann's Fabric, which you wouldn't think is the place to go for cake decorating supplies, but they had them there and they were on sale, and I got them in gold and pink, and they're kind of hard, so you want to watch your teeth when you bite into those, but they taste like sugar. Okay, now we are ready to get that dining room table decorated for Easter using these cupcakes. I don't know about you, but sometimes my wood tables get neglected, so when I change out the decor, it's a good time to go ahead and give it a good wipe down. I like the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. I got it at Target, which is also where I found these flowers. They were $5 and they're in that dollar section in the front. I ended up just using one of these. I also pulled out my Easter decor that I used last year. Just some moss bunnies, eggs, and extra moss. I think I got most of that from Michael's. And if you want to see how I did my tablescape last year, I will link that video for you here. It's a little different because I didn't use cupcakes and I was using it on a larger dining room table. I started out with this yellow mat for the base of my tablescape, but I felt with all the dark moss, there was just too much dark with the wood showing on the table. So I busted out my white tablecloth to brighten things up. After placing everything, this looks like the epitome of a spring meadow filled with bunnies, flowers, and cupcakes. Because that's the kind of meadow I want to hang out in. If this video made you get in the spirit of spring and you want more cupcakes and DIYs, make sure to check out my friends' videos over on this playlist right over here. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more home DIYs coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.